Hi, I'm Anusha. I make beauty related content. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today we are going to be talking about BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. I am going to be mentioning everything about this product, like who can use this product, how to layer this product, and what are the other things that you have to avoid while using this product. So stay tuned for that. This is basically a BHA product, meaning that it has beta hydroxy acids. Let me take a minute to say about what chemical exfoliation is. We are exfoliating the dead skin cells on the skin with a chemical. It is called chemical exfoliation. We have three types of exfoliants. They are AHAs, BHAs and PHAs. AHAs and BHAs are the most commonly used type of chemical exfoliants, while PHAs are relatively new. Coming to AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, they are water soluble and they sit on the top layer of the skin and exfoliate the dead skin cells that are sitting on the top layers of the skin. While coming to BHA, salicylic acid, it is an oil soluble acid. It can penetrate deep into the skin. It can penetrate into the pores and clean the pores. It will just throw away all the gunk, debris and dead skin cells that are trapped in the pores and keep the pores clean. So eventually we will have less blackheads, less whiteheads, improved skin texture and less sebum production and less acne breakouts. So BHAs are very useful for even for dry skin people or oily skin people, but oily skin people will get more benefit from using BHAs. The famous BHA is salicylic acid. It is derived from willow bark water. Now coming to the basics of the product, it comes in a frosted plastic bottle with pump applicator on the top. It is a very convenient to use packaging. It retails for around 1400 or 1500 across different websites for 100 ml of product. It has a very thin consistency between a toner and a serum, so it feels more like an essence. When applied onto the skin, it will absorb so beautifully within a minute and you will not feel any oiliness or stickiness and you will not feel any dryness. Normally while using salicylic acid products, we feel somewhat dryness on our skin, but this product did not give me any dryness. Yeah, those are all the basics of the product. Coming to the interesting part, ingredients of the product. It has very minimum ingredients. First is willow bark water. Willow bark water is very good for soothing of the irritated skin. So if your skin is irritated and having redness, this willow bark water will help to soothe that area. Next on the list we have butylene glycol. Butylene glycol is an excellent humectant. It will hold water onto the skin. Then we have betaine salicylate. Actually, I told you right, this is a BHA based liquid, but they have not used salicylic acid directly in this formulation. They have used an ester, means a derivative of salicylic acid. What betaine salicylate is, betaines are naturally moisturizing ingredients. They will combine betaine salicylic acid to derive betaine salicylate. The effectiveness of betaine salicylate is not very well established like the salicylic acid. For salicylic acid, we have scientific studies and backing about the performance of ingredient on our skin, but we have one study when it comes to betaine salicylate stating its effectiveness. The study also comes from the manufacturer of betaine salicylate. They state that betaine salicylate is equally effective as salicylic acid when used in double the concentration. Means if you have to get the same benefits of salicylic acid 2% concentration, you have to use betaine salicylate in 4% concentration. But brands do use betaine salicylate because there are some limitations on many countries on the usage of salicylic acid. They cannot put more concentration in a formulation, so they will use betaine salicylate instead of salicylic acid. Betaine salicylate is also considered very gentle when compared to salicylic acid. So if you have sensitive skin also, the products containing betaine salicylate will be very much less irritating when compared with salicylic acid products. Then after betaine salicylate, we have niacinamide. We all love niacinamide. Niacinamide is an excellent ingredient. It is a skin soother, skin hydrator. It will support skin barrier function. It will help with sebum production. It will control acne and it will boost collagen production in the skin. It has multiple benefits. Then we have panthenol, sodium hyaluronate and these type of hydrating and good ingredients for the skin. The The formulation is very simple. It basically has betaine salicylate in 4% concentrations and niacinamide. Those are the star ingredients of this product. Now coming to who can use this product. If you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, normal skin, whatever skin type it is, this will suit everybody. It will not cause any dryness even to the dry skin people also, because it has good humectants to support the betaine salicylate function. Now how to layer this product. On the packaging they have mentioned that you can use this product in both AM and PM, but I would say if you are using any exfoliants, stick to PM routine. No need to use them in the AM routine, just use them in the evening and follow up with a sunscreen the next morning. You can layer this after cleansing of the skin. You have to use this product direct after properly drying off your skin. Don't use any exfoliants on wet or damp skin. After using of this product, don't combine it with any retinols. If you are using any retinols or vitamin C or something like that, don't use those kind of strong actives along with this product, because technically speaking you can use derivatives of vitamin C products like 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbyl phosphate or MAP. If you are using derivatives of L-ascorbic acid, you can use them because the pH will be around 5 to 6, but you are using direct ascorbic acid product in your skincare, the pH will be around 3, so it is not a good idea to use that low pH products after exfoliating of the skin. See, whenever you are using skincare, keep it simple. Don't pack your skin with more and more actives. If you are using BHA, just follow up it with some good hydrating and soothing products on the skin. Not go for something very strong or something like that. But if your skin is very well used to those kind of products, then you can use after doing a patch test. But if you are a beginner, take it slow. You can use this product twice a week, or if you have very oily skin, you can go for about every alternate day. I do twice a week, or if it is extremely humid, I do it alternate day. It did not cause any irritation to my skin. Actually, when I have first started using this, it gave a little pursing, means just 2 or 3 bumps on my cheeks. After like few days, like about 10 to 14 days, those bumps have also gone, and after that it did not irritate my skin. Even once, it did not make my skin dry at all. It is very hydrating, and while I am using this product, I can say it has controlled the sebum production, and also it has controlled the acne breakouts on my skin. And I cannot really comment on the blackhead part because I don't have any blackheads. I normally do get whiteheads and pimples, and it has worked on them. If you are a beginner and you are looking for a good BHA that can help your skin and keep it clean, Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid is a very good option to go for. Yeah, that's the review on BHA Blackhead Power Liquid from Cosrx. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a like. Also hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.